guys, my name is Carella and welcome to my channel. So today we were doing a little hair tutorial on how I install my 28 to 30 inch wig. So this is no glue, no heat, it's just gel and mousse and everything nice. So guys, if you want to see how I've achieved putting on this hair and I've achieved on this hair on this head, okay, it is actually hair on this head, and I achieved this nice metal parting that just remind me of all the ever so lovely Mrs. Kardashian wears. So basically, if you want to watch how this went by, let's go, and I'll see you and for me, I'll see you next week, and I loves you. Hey guys, so today it's another hair tutorial. Guys, quick disclaimer, I am not a professional hairdresser. I'm just showing you the way I do my things, the way I do my little. So basically I want to show you how I put on my wig. Right now I have a 28-inch wig. It's about 28 to 30 inches. Like, it looks about like 30 on me because I'm a petite type of person and I'm short. So it's a middle parting closure. It's a 3-part closure, and I just chose to part it in the middle because I'm so obsessed with middle parts. Guys, I am so obsessed with middle parts. Like, it's so Kim Kardashian, it's so polished. Like, for me, she's like the first person to like do it, and I feel like, oh my god, this is so nice. So basically this is what the hair looks like. This is natural virgin hair, super soft, and a hairdresser of mine had it made for me. So basically this is what the hair looks like. I know it looks messy. We're gonna put it on and have everything tight, nice and so basically what I do, I go in with my Ecostyle. It is the professional styling gel with aragan oil. I just use this to actually push back my 4C baby hairs. I don't want it to contrast with the wig, or if anything pips in, I just want it to be laid. So basically what I do, I just push it back. I don't do anything fancy. I just push it back, make sure that there's enough gel. I push it with the it was a teeth brush, but then it's not a teeth brush. I just push it with the edge brush. So I push it, then I lay it with my finger, push it, lay it with my finger, push it, lay it with my finger. Like, guys, this gel is amazing. If you haven't gotten it, I don't know what you've been waiting for. So I go on over the other side. And usually I'm worried about this part because if I want to put like tuck the hair over my ears, this part just literally shows sometimes, and that's not what we're having. We are not having that, my lovelies. We are not having that. We're not having it. Okay, I'm going crazy. Smells amazing, guys. Aragon oil is live. It usually doesn't push. Okay, gonna apply more here. And just tuck it in the back, tuck it in the back, tuck it in the back. So once we're done with that, we are going over with the wig. So I take the wig and I just brush it through with my detangler brush. You can get this at Clicks or Discount, and make sure it's the one with this type of tooth. It actually helps with your wigs, and it actually sustains them because not only does it brush, it also detangles, so you don't lose much hair when you're brushing every time. Let's say that you have on your wig for like weeks and you just brushing it every day. This could be amazing. Like, it's better than a hot comb. I'm joking, a hot comb is fire, but then when it comes to just going through the hair, so I'm gonna put on my wig right now. Woo. The Mr. Wiggings. Let me talk off my ring. It's actually talking in my hair. So this is what the hair would look like. If you were basic B, you'd probably have it on like this. There's nothing wrong with having it on like this. I would personally sometimes have it on like this when I feel like I'm just tired. I don't want to do much with it and I just want to have it laid down. But then if I'm going somewhere and I want to do slay mama things, we got to do more. So basically I'm gonna make sure that the part is comfortable. Like, I'm comfortable with the parting. I'm gonna clip it in the back because it's not yet clipped. The wig is a basic wig and it has clippers. Guys, don't make a wig and it doesn't have clippers. Make sure it has clippers so that the wind doesn't come or somebody comes and knocks you and your wig just falls off your head, because some people find that quite funny. I don't know, like I'd get like questions like when I have like my wig on. They're like, what would happen if I just take this off your head right now? And I'm like, I'd take it back and put it back in, literally. Y'all know this is not my hair. Don't be fresh. What would happen? You take it off, I take it, I put it back. The wind comes and blows it, I take it, I put it back. Honey, we're not trying to lie to anybody here. It's not our hair, so stop ranting. So basically I have it on, so I'm gonna take it and try push it in the front. So basically this is what it looks like. I'm gonna brush it back, try brush back the hair. I have a hair tie here, so when I tie it, oh, I hate it. It just gets out of my bless me, my course. Gosh, guys. So basically, you could leave it like this. It looks nice. It looks cute. But then not me. I gotta go a little bit extra. So once we have the hair and tied the hair in the back, I just dropped my Ecostyle. My heart almost dropped. So basically once we have the hair and the hair is tucked back, I'm trying to try and find the baby hairs. Because this one has a bit of baby hairs. It's not a big closure because it ends up to here. That's the most dissatisfying part. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a hard word. So basically this is what I'm gonna lay down as baby hairs. I'm gonna come on now. I'm gonna go and tuck it. If you like it, cut it short. I decided not to cut it short due to the fact that sometimes I may not want baby hairs and I don't want this short things just getting in the way, because I showed you that you can just leave it like that and just wear it as a basic closure, like how we used to wear closures back in the day. So what I do next, I'm gonna take my styling mousse from Perfect Touch. This is the volume and lift mousse. Yeah, I don't know about volume and lifting. I just take it and just lay down my edges like so. Not my edges, the wig's edges, guys, don't come for me. And I take the leftover and get rid of this effing flowers. I hope that you guys can see. I hope that you guys can see. So we are back to the edge brush and the Ecostyle, of course, and I'm gonna dip into my Ecostyle, which is the aragan oil. And yeah, basically I just take it from here and I do a basic swoop. It depends how you want it. So it's like a swoop and I press it down, swoop and I press it down. So on it cap here, and then we're gonna go do the last swoop and I press it down. The swoop really doesn't matter, so it's only the front one that's gonna matter, because this is like a short closure. We only care about this part. This part is gonna be covered by the long hair. So yeah, so it's like swoop. Make sure not to get the gel onto the hair here. So it's swoop. What is going on? Swoop, press it down. Let's go over to the other side. Swoop, it's a press down. Swoop, it's a press down. Hence I said you can cut this baby hairs and make them short, but I decided not to, just because in case I just don't want that little short hairs, just in case I don't want to lay my baby hairs down, or I don't want to have baby hairs on my wig, because like baby hairs are not an everyday thing, not for me anyway. But then I'm so in love with baby hairs. If I see a girl and they have baby hairs on, I'm like, girl, you look so good. Oh, but then they're not for everybody. I know with my sister, she doesn't do baby hairs, like they're not her thing, but she naturally has baby hairs. So there it is. We have our two little baby hairs on. This is for a middle parting. That's not like, it's not a 4x1. It's just a basic closure. It's not quite big. It's a 3-part closure. And sometimes I don't know, I think I'll open the other parting and see what's gonna happen, and then I'll make a video about it. You know, you gotta push this content. So I'm just perfecting my soup, guys. Don't think that I'm just like overdoing things. I'm making sure that it's laid before I apply my xoxo. Applying some more gel here because you need to make sure that everything is laid before trouble comes. So right now we are done with our edges because it's not like it's a full edge on. I wish I had like an ear to ear closure so that I can do the edges for you guys. As soon as I get my wig delivered, I'm gonna do that for you. Right now we are working with what we have, and we are working with like most women have. I know most women around here have this type of wig and have this type of closure, and you're just wondering how do you get baby hairs done. Like, you don't need to buy like a frontal or a closure. You can low frontal and ear by ear closure. You can do it like this, and I'm here to show you how. So right now, before I over talk this video to death, let's get on the silk scarf and press down this baby hairs. So I have on my silk scarf. Basically, some other people use heat like a hair dryer to dry them down. I don't bring heat anywhere near my hair. Like, I don't play with my natural hair because that's what God gave me, and I'm supposed to protect it as much as I can. So hence I don't play with heat. I'd use a fan. I have those little fans that I just bring close with cool air. Hot air, no, I don't play. I don't want any dryer near me. The dryer is the devil. It will just sip through and damage my own natural hair, and I'm not playing that. Okay guys, let's wait for this to dry. Then after it dries, I'll be back and then we can continue with the styling. Hey guys, so yeah, the edges finally are laid, and I had to take that thing off because it was giving me a headache while I was doing my makeup. Like, I literally got a headache. So what I usually do, I was doing my makeup right now, so this already has concealer. So I take my concealer brush and I just move it through. As you can see, it's already filled with concealer, just to widen the parting a bit. So and then after that, I set the concealer with my contour powder from the next palette, from the next contour palette. So I just go over it like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but then it's gonna look nice when everything is combed out and laid down. So you see, when I told you that this brush is fire, just look at how it just lays everything. It just lays it. It doesn't slay it, it lays it. So I just did my makeup. If you're interested in watching this look at this eyeshadow, guys. It's very beautiful. So I'm gonna link it up on my icon up here. So, or check out my whole channel. I have a lot of looks that you would love, but then this one is something nice, like for a date or for a night out. It's some type of night out soft glam. So let me stop talking about makeup when this is not even a makeup video. So basically I've combed out my hair. I'm gonna shake up my mousse a little bit. This is a beautiful mousse from Perfect Touch. I was lucky enough to get their PR styling package. I was so happy, guys, especially something that has to do with my hair. I've been doing my hair ever since I was 10 years old because my sister was the one who did our hair, and then sometimes she'd go to university and would be left alone, so we had to like struggle for like weeks, and then she'd show you like basic stuff. This is how you wash your hair, this is conditioner, this is shampoo, and then we just started doing our own hair, and that's like we ended up falling in love with it, to be honest. So basically this is what the hair looks like. It looks kind of natural. I love how the parting looks. The parting looks very, very natural. It looks sexy, guys. Slayed long hair looks quite nice. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see where the hair kind of finishes. It's like this long. it's like this long, so it's quite long. It actually it's very nice. I like it. I wanted something long, something that touches my butt in a way, but then not tacky. But then hence I chose this 28 to 30 inches. I didn't overdo it with going to 32. So guys, thank you very much for staying through with me, with the gels, with the thermals and everything. You guys are so amazing. If you want to watch this makeup look, click the icon up here and then you can see how I've achieved this look. So thank you very much, and thank you to all new subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Guys, we are consistent in loading 2 videos a week, one on Wednesday and one on Sunday. So guys, stay with us and I'll see you on my next video. So remember, before we sign off, just do 5 things for me: comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you may and if you can, please share this video for me. Like, I'm asking you to share, push me up this YouTube algorithm, show YouTube that I'm here to stay, I'm here to survive, and I'm here to slay mama. So yeah, so basically this is the hair. So remember the 5 things. Before we even go anywhere, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds for you to subscribe. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Like, this is the fun house. TMT. VIP content for my VIP users, my viewers, my users. I'll see you next week, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Not next week, we're done with the next week. It's the next video. It's next something. We're slaying, we're killing. Siyawina, siyavula, siyavala. You must never. Bye.